When you subscribe, we will use the information you provide to send you these newsletters. Sometimes they'll include recommendations for other related newsletters or services we offer. Our privacy notice explains more about how we use your data and your rights. You can unsubscribe at any time. High pressure is forecast to push hot air towards the UK at the start of May, sending temperatures soaring following a cold spell at the start of this week. Eastern parts of England could bake in highs of 15°C on May 3rd, Bank Holiday Monday, while Kent and Southampton see warm conditions of 14°C. Western regions could also bask on 14°C, including Stoke and Birmingham, on the same day. Brian Gaze, a forecaster at Weather Outlook, said next week could start to feel quite warm as May approaches. He said, close to average temperatures are forecast. When taken over the period as a whole and in the drier spells, it feels quite warm. There are signals for a rather unsettled start to be replaced by a drier spell which may last until the final week of the month. The BBC's long-range forecast from May 3rd to Sunday, May 9th, predicted high pressure to push the sub-tropical heat towards Western Europe and the UK. The forecast said, April looks like it will end on a more unsettled note with scattered showers and light winds expected before drier weather develops in early May. As May begins, our weather will continue to be influenced by a large area of high pressure, known as a sub-tropical high. As we head into the warmer months of the year, this high will become stronger and larger and tend to be centered near the Azores to the west of Spain and Portugal. This year we have unusually warm sea surface temperatures in the Atlantic which have been helping to build this high earlier than normal. For the first week of May, the sub-tropical high should strengthen and push into Western Europe, which will bring north-westerly winds for a while and help to keep temperatures a bit below average, at least at the start of the week. As the high-pressure system shifts east into continental Europe, our cool northerly winds will be cut off and warmer air from the Atlantic will be able to creep in from the west. By the end of the week, temperatures should start to moderate and may be slightly above average. Throughout this period, high pressure will tend to keep things rather dry, perhaps even drier than we had expected this time of year. NetWeather's monthly forecast also said the start of May could be very warm. The long-range forecast said, a finer, warmer, perhaps very warm interval may occur, mostly over England and Wales. A thundery breakdown is possible, before temperatures return to normal with showers, particularly in the northwest. A milder or warmer period, but somewhat unsettled. The Met Office added the start of May could be dry and sunny, although there may be risk of rain. The forecast between Thursday, April 29th and Saturday, May 8th, said, high pressure possibly dominating throughout this period. This will bring largely dry and fine conditions with bright spells and variable amounts of cloud. Showers, mostly light, are possible at times, especially across central and eastern parts of the UK. Rain may affect far northern and northwestern areas too. There is a slight chance of heavy rain and showers also arriving into southern areas for a time. Later in the outlook, there is an increased likelihood of more unsettled periods with showers or longer spells of rain.